Welcome back to BZR Garage. Behind me is a 383 stroker. We're going to show you how we got to this point so far. Going to be a quick video, time lapse. Did some honing, some painting, cleaning it up. Let me know what you think. Well, anyways, thanks for watching BZR Garage today. Trying to put out videos a couple times a week. In the comments, give me some feedback. Don't really know what I'm doing. Don't know if I'm providing quality content. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys.